Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. We are in video 8 and we will see how to turn your sales letter into a beautiful sales page. So keep your document open and ready for copying and pasting when it's ready. Now I'm always at my template. Then go to gumroad.com. This is a website that allows you to sell your products, to create sales pages and have everything included on the same network without having to configure PayPal, Warrior Plus, JVZoo and all these things. Sorry. Okay, what you have to do is sign up. I will show you the settings you have to compile. You have your username and here is your profile, gumroad.com/pack82. The email support is activable only by people that have upgraded the account, so it's not our case. Language you may set to English or to your desired language. Time zone I will enter Eastern Time. You may sell in a lot of different currencies and I select US dollar. You may apply sales tax in states of United States. And then I suggest you to select on show my products in Discover. Discover is a part of the website where products are recommended. So it could be interesting for you. Click update account details, and when you have updated your account details, go to products, here on top, products. Here I've just a test I did before this video, but I will delete it. I will start from 0. You click on products, click on add a product. You have two choices for digital products or physical products, but in this case it's a digital product. It's not a single product but a subscription, or you may choose also pre-order for other things you may sell and pre-sale. In this case you have to select subscription, and here you have other two choices. The membership choice allows you to open a membership and add your contents, but the problem is a member that joins at first month and the member that joins at the 9th month will see exactly the same content, so it's not productive for our membership. So we have to select subscription. You have to give a name to your subscription. In this case I select Italian Chef's Kitchen and I select it for $10 per month. Here you may read that subscriber sign up. When a subscriber is added to your list, you send emails with file attachments to your subscriber at any frequency, and your subscriber will receive updates and be charged until they choose to cancel. So you may enter your name, the price, and click on customize. Here you have to upload a cover. I suggest to design one with canva.com. On canva.com you have to select create a design and you have to find social media and email headers, this section. Find a YouTube channel art. It's the right size for your Gumroad product, so select this YouTube cover art and you may design it your way by uploading content as I show you in one of the previous videos. Remember also that you may add even backgrounds, like I show you, but in this case I will use an image I've ready on my desktop, so I will click on upload the cover and I will select this untitled design. Here you may check your product is written correctly, your price per month, And here there's the image I created. Below you have to enter your description, so it's time to copy our sales letter contents. This is not completed as I've yet the red parts to customize, but I want to show you just how to do the process. So I select everything with a Ctrl C and I paste here with a Ctrl V. You may play with this text like in any word processor. You will see this bar hovering over your text. You may set B for the bold, I for the italic, and U for underline. Then there is a link if you want to link outside, and there are two header type if you want header a little bit bigger. Here is the block quote and here the classic unordered list. You may check the text, bold the required sections, and so on. Here you may use the list, for example, 20 receipts per month, interesting. You have to copy these parts here without forgetting parts of other points. Okay, you may even leave one space between the dots. And in a few minutes you may have your page ready. You may bold these subtitles, the characteristics of your membership this way. Okay, just to show you how easy it is to change the page. Now I don't continue until the end, I stop right here. Here you have the choice to have your new customers receive the last update you sent. And this is interesting because who paid as first will receive the materials you selected. Who will paid as last will receive only the last thing you added and not everything else. So you may select it. Now click Save Changes and pass to the options. The options are the possibility to create a short link. I will enter Italian chef. You may select the length in month, and it may be unlimited like it is set up here, or just 12 months, for example 1 year. 10 months for 1 year. You may even add other opportunities like 10 months per year makes 120 per year, so you may set it at $99 per year for who wants all the content at once. The variants, it's not for us because it's for products that have different formats, colors and settings. Offers is good if you want to select a coupon code to give away, for example for the first month. And you may select for all products you have on Gumroad or just for one. It could be a code called the first month that gives $5 off the first month, a limited quantity, or limited quantity if you insert the number, for example for 20 people. The license keys are not for us because they are made for software. When you're ready, click Save Changes. And finally there's the share page where you have the link of your product that you may copy and save on your desktop. You may tweet it or share when it's ready. Or you may even sell directly to customers on your website. So you may overlay or embed the code. You see this beautiful page with information about the author. If you hover, you will see Internet Marketer and Coach. The two choices for people who join, paying $10 per month or $99 for a year, saving 18%. And below you may copy this code by clicking this button. And you may have your code on your website, on your WordPress blog, everywhere you desire. Consider it's very easy to set up this software. Now where's my mouse loading? Okay. And it's very easy to embed or to overlay if you want to share just the buy button, for example. You may change the text with the buy now for a special price, for example. You may have this button everywhere you want, so you may recreate the page on WordPress, on an HTML website, even on social if you want, and have your code ready for the button. For the Discover settings instead, your product will be put on their store, and you have to select just course or tutorial. And below you may add a membership this way. When everything is ready, you may click Save Change and click Publish. When your book is published, you may copy this link with a Ctrl+C and check that everything looks right. Obviously, it's not my case because I didn't finish my sales letter, but I left it this way without customizing it anymore, but you have time to customize it as I shown you in the previous video, and select your text in a way that it's more visible. So you may bold the interesting phrase you have put in, or just the headlines and sub-headlines, or for example your unordered list, and have your page beautiful and easy to navigate for you. One last thing to remember is that to delivering your content, you have to go under Customers here, and you will see the customer list with emails, so that you may send your updates via email, as I shown you some videos ago, by creating emails or by sending them an email to access your Facebook group. You have the two choice, and you may contact your new paying members by delivering your URL to get them to access your contents. Thanks so much and see you soon. By Alessandro Zamboni. Bye bye.